Let's see how to create a drop cap in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open a Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, a drop cap is basically what you will often see in newspaper headlines, where the first letter is often big enough that extends to several lines in your document. And so what that will look like is first, let's head on over to the Insert tab. Now, highlight your first letter or the letter that you want to create a drop cap for. Now, click on Drop Cap here under the text section. Now, click on Dropped or in margin if you wanted to align it within your document's margins. Now, click on Dropped, and you'll see that you have the option to resize it as you want. And if you want more options, you can click the drop cap options to change the font, how many lines you want it to drop, and the distance to the text beside it. And that is how you can create a drop cap in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.